Today I am going to recite and explain a poem named Pollution, composed by Sanchit Saluja. First I'll recite it and then I'll explain it stanza by stanza. So the poem goes like this. Earthlings, wake up and take charge. I speak not to one alone, but to the world at large. The scorching heat of the sun is rather difficult to bear. It's all because of pollution. That dear ozone layer has a tear. Poisonous gases are emitted, and here you cut the trees. If we don't stop this, we shall not breathe with ease. So stop this destruction and start the repair. Let's make the earth green and not desolate and bare. Here, in the first stanza of the poem, the poet is referring the people of the earth as earthlings. Here, he is urging the people to get up and take the responsibility of the wellness of our Mother Earth. Through his words, he is wanting to convey that his call is not for a single person, but for the awareness of all the people of this world to save the Mother Nature. Within the 4 lines of the second stanza, the poet is raising his voice to explain people about the main reason of the unbearable global warming, the rise of the temperature of our planet that had happened because of the damage of our ozone layer of the atmosphere, due to which we experience the scorching heat of the sun. In the third stanza, he is saying us about how the emissions of poisonous gases from the factories and vehicles are polluting the fresh air around us. He is also putting forward the awareness of deforestation and its dreadful consequences. He is predicting that a day will come when we won't be able to easily breathe fresh air. We won't get fresh supply of life-supporting gas around us. In the last stanza, the poet is addressing to all the people of the world to stop the unscrupulous activities which are deteriorating the components of our environment. Through his words, he is motivating us to make all possible ways to convert the polluted barren earth into a green, healthy place to live in.